Okay, hi guys. Math 9. Let me give you just a little overview of where we're headed over the next little bit. The quarter ends on April 3rd. So we've just finished up chapter 6. I uploaded today an assignment for you. Well, I'm going to upload this tomorrow. So I uploaded on Monday an assignment for you. And I said that that was due April 1st. That gives me time to get some marking done so I can get marks in. So April 1st is when that assignment is due. It is on chapters 5 and 6, which is everything we did this quarter. In this video, I'm going to do a very quick, emphasis on quick review of chapter 6. Tomorrow, Wednesday, and today. So all you have to do today is watch this video, and then you're free to work on your assignment and review chapter 6. The same thing for Wednesday. You're going to work on your assignment, review chapter 6. On Thursday, we're going to do a test on chapter 6. That means for 8:30 in the morning, and I'll be honest, I've been kind of sleeping in. So if you've been doing the same, you can't on Thursday, and neither can I. On Thursday, we're going to do a test on chapter 6. That means at 8:30, you log in. Preferably also log into Google Hangouts, just so I know you're there. I will post the test into Classroom. You will have until 9:40, actually 9:50, because that's when your next class would start, to do it and upload the answers. Now, I'm going to put the due time a little bit longer than that in case it takes you a little bit to upload. I don't know whether you're going to have like a live class you have to go to or not after that, but I will probably put on the computer, I'll put the due time like 10 o'clock, and so you will have until then to upload the answers to me. So 8:30, technically you have until 9:40, 9:50 to do it, but I'll extend that time a little bit on Google Classroom just so it doesn't shut you out if you're a couple of minutes late uploading that. And then on Friday, we will start into chapter 7. So that's kind of the overview of what the rest of this week looks like. So quick review on chapter 6, and again, emphasis on the quick. In section 6.1, I wish I knew where I put my marker. Just a second, guys. There it is. In chapter 6, there really are only 3 key things you need to know how to do. Number 1 is congruent. That's not very good. Congruent triangles. And you're going to need to be able to say, why is one triangle congruent or the same as another triangle? So you're going to have to, if you've got 2 triangles, and this is A, B, C, and this is D, E, F, and I said this angle and this angle were the same, then you would say angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. And then if I said this side and this side were the same, you would say AB is equal to DE. And then if I said this angle and this angle are the same, you would say angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. And then you can say that triangle ABC is congruent, which has the equal sign with a little wavy line over it, is equal to triangle DEF. And your reason is because we did an angle, a side, and an angle. Angle, side, angle. That's why you can say that. Remember, we had 3 scenarios. One of them was angle, side, angle. Another one was if all 3 sides of one triangle and all 3 sides of the other triangle were equal to one another. Then your reason would be side, 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 and up here you would have 3 sides listed. Another one was angle, side, angle. So you had an angle, or sorry, that's what this one was, angle, side, angle. The third one was side, angle, side. And remember that the order matters. It was an angle, and a side in the middle. So angle, side, angle is what that is. So that was really the first section of chapter 6. The second section dealt with similar triangles. So the second section dealt with similar triangles. In similar triangles, it means that one triangle and the other triangle, the sides are increased or decreased by the same ratio. And so if I said this side was 2 and this side was 4 and this side was 6, what was this side? Then you would set up a fraction. This side and this side correspond, and this side and this side correspond. And I said the important thing to remember is if you start by putting the small triangle on the top of the fraction, then you have to keep the small triangle on the top of the fraction. You could reverse that. You could say 4 over 2 is equal to x over 6. To solve that, I would cross multiply, so I would have 2x is equal to 24. So I just cross multiplied. I would divide both sides by 2, and I would get that x is 12. All right? So that's what I would do for similar triangles. And then the rest of the sections dealt with right angle triangles, where we dealt with sine, cosine, and tangent. So that would be SOHCAHTOA. That's a C, even though it's a bad one. So that dealt with SOHCAHTOA, so you're going to need to be able to deal with that. Really, if you can do the last section, section 6.6, then all of that should be okay. Don't forget about a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to give you Tuesday and Wednesday to be reviewing that, working on the assignment I gave. Thursday at 8:30 in the morning, you should be in Google Classroom and Google Hangouts. I will post it into Google Classroom. You can upload it. You will have the regular period time to do it. Upload the answers to me, and I will mark it from there. All right, have a good day. See ya.